Audio Jungle.
Okay, now we are doing what? Separation methods of mixtures.
Yes, sir.
You have taken which type of mixture? Solid, solid, or solid, liquid, liquid, solid, solid and liquid. Okay, show me the which is the solid and which is the liquid. Water is the liquid. Okay, now take a beaker and mix the sand and water. Rupak, add 100 ml water in that, up to 100 ml marking. Okay, now Sanket, take a glass rod and mix the mixture. Now you can see the water has become turbid, like, okay. The sand particles are at the bottom or at the top? At the bottom. Okay. Now we have to separate the sand and water. Now which method we will use? Filtration method. Okay. In filtration method, what you need? And stand. Okay. Now keep the small beaker under the funnel. Okay. Properly?
Yes, sir.
Now pour the mixture. First apply the filter paper on the funnel. Okay, Vivek, now take the mixture and put it. Shake it, little bit shake it. That beaker mixture. चला नहीं? अभी डालो सभी पूरा मिक्सर डालो फास्ट. फिल्टर पेपर के अंदर ही रहे. हाँ, बस 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 स्लोली. Okay. Now see the solid particles which are on the filter paper are called as, you have separated the liquid and solid, right? The sand particles on the filter paper. The portion which is present on the filter paper is called as residue, and the filtrate which you have done at the bottom in the beaker is called as filtrate, right? This is the which method? Filtration. You have separated solid and liquid. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at here, smile.